So this is just a quick video for the Willowwork cowl, and some people are having a little trouble with one of the crosses in this stitch pattern, which is, you can see it right here and down here. So I've worked up to the point where we're going to be doing this. It's called a 1 by 1 by 1 left cross, and basically what we're doing is we're swapping these two stitches right here while kind of leaving that one in the middle. There are a few different ways to do it. This is the one that I think is the easiest. So first we're going to slip this guy right here to a cable needle, or if you cable without a cable needle, you can just slip it to your right needle. We're going to get that guy out of the way. Next we're going to cross these two stitches with a right cross. So first I'm going to knit two together with this gray yarn because we're working on the gray stitch there. Next I'm going to knit the teal stitch with the teal color. Whoops. Teal stitch with the teal color, and slip both of those from the needle, and you can see that the gray stitch crossed over to the right of the teal stitch. And finally we're gonna pop that gray stitch back on the needle and knit it. Whoop. You can see it's crossed over the top of those two, just like that, and there we have it.